these 5 steps to get a perfect dosa. First, heat the pan tawa. Place a non-stick or cast iron tawa on medium heat. Sprinkle a little water to check the heat. It should sizzle and evaporate quickly. Wipe the pan with a cloth or onion slice to clean and cool it slightly. Second, pour the batter. Mix the fermented dosa batter gently. Take one ladle of batter and pour it in the center of the tawa, immediately spreading it outward in a circular motion using the back of the ladle, making a thin circle. Third, add oil. Drizzle a few drops of oil or ghee around the edges of dosa and little on the top, optional for extra crispiness. 4. Cook the dosa. Let it cook on medium heat until the edges start lifting and the bottom turns golden brown. You don't need to flip it unless you prefer it cooked on both sides. Fifth, serve hot. Gently lift the dosa using a spatula